dark web.
Who's that?
Wait, guys, hold up. Where's Lex?
Wait, that looks like that's Lex's building.
No,
You guys.
no. Is that Lex?
What the hell?
They've all been watching.
Oh my god.
That's my mom. No! They've had control this whole time.
Please, leave us alone! Get out of there right now!
I can hear you.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jason Bicagete and today I got an exciting review for you. We'll be diving into the movie Unfriended Dark Web to see if it lived up to the hype and answer some questions, so let's get into it. In Unfriended Dark Web, we have this guy named Matthias O'Brien, and in this movie, Matthias picked up a mysterious laptop and took it. As he plays an online game, we also see his friend Serena, Nari, AJ, Lex, and Damon. And he realized something isn't right in the laptop. He discovers a disturbing folder filled with videos of people in danger. And in a while, a person named Sharon seeks contact Matthias, demanding the return of the laptop, but Matthias ignores the warning, tempted by a large sum of money he found on the device. He also tells this to his friend and initially joke about it. But for a while, they soon receive a message warning that they will die if they disconnect or call the police. The night of fun quickly turns deadly as each friend becomes targeted by an anonymous people from the dark web. In the end, they all die, revealing the deadly game for what it truly was. Now, let's answer the questions. Are there any trends in ICT that tackles in the film? If yes, please elaborate. Yes, in the movie, Matthias and his friend use different social media platforms. They chat on Facebook and more that are part of a social media. They also read news on various websites which is a part of social news, and they also use YouTube and more that is part of media sharing. These platforms are a big part of their online activities and experience. And also, Matthias used a MacBook and it is made by Apple company, so the operating system of it is iOS. Let's move to the next question. Are there any threats that shown in the film? Yes, in the movie, there are examples of spyware and adverse threats. Spyware is shown in the movie when an anonymous person sends a message saying, "I can see you," showing they can spy on others by hacking their computers. For adware, this is when Matthias searches for information about Erica, a 17-year-old girl. Ads appear on the right side of the screen. Now for the last question, what are some lessons you learned in this film? This film teaches us to be very careful with our online privacy and security, as personal information can be easily accessed and misused. The film shows the dangers of trusting unknown people online, as their interactions can lead to real-life problems. It also highlights the importance of making ethical choices, as this decision can affect others. The movie also raises awareness about the dark web and illegal activities, reminding us to stay cautious and informed about online risks. And lastly, it teaches us that not returning lost items or taking things that don't belong us can have serious consequences, like what happened to Matthias.